Yes, good afternoon, madam.
Good afternoon, Krishna.
We are visited to after 2 3 years,
Yes,
and my imagination behind garden maintenance also good, and I think you are enjoying the beautiful
absolutely,
garden.
absolutely. We are, this is our favorite place in the house, the portico, and we love gazing at the beautiful flowers and the lovely garden that you created for us.
Thank you.
I remember I just gave you very little specification. I just told you that we wanted, perennial flowers and very less maintenance. And you, from conceptualization to execution, you did an amazing work.
Thank you.
Your love for your work and your knowledge really comes across, and we are so happy with this garden.
Yes. And what about vegetable garden? And we make
Oh
the
yeah,
fruit also.
oh yeah, oh yeah. I was amazed. We enjoy the fruits, the love apples we have, and we are constantly having those perus.
Peru, Goa,
Yeah,
Goa.
the
Yeah.
guava. Every few days we'll have guava, brinjals, chilies,
Wow, great.
coriander, whole lot of things, and this tree that you see is
Termini
that you
lamentali.
saw, yeah, beautiful. Lot of tropical plants and a lot of lilies, and we enjoy this garden.
Thank you, madam. And today's your interaction with regarding the landscaping. We'll see next video. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.